for like a minute and a half. Don't know what it is. I don't see any airplanes in the sky. Not a one. It's not getting any quieter. If it was an airplane, you'd think it would get louder and taper off, but it's not. Very strange.